Hi, as I'm editing the part 3 in this series, I remember that I didn't really have an intro to this part 3 video, so this is the intro. Welcome to part 3. My name is Eric Peterson. I'm the owner of Shackle and I'm the owner of this YouTube. Something I added as well that I need before I can test application is that I'm going to set so that views are actually another folder. Because usually, or actually always, the folder where you have your views should always be named views, but since I have another name, I have to let the framework know that I have another folder. And then I also want to set so that the view engine is EJS. And now we need to install some packages into our package.json. As you can see, it's pretty empty. So what we're going to do is that we're going to cd dot. Let's see. Yep, I'm in the right folder. So now I want to type npm install body parser dash save. If I type that dash save in the end, it's going to be added to the package.json. Perfect. Now we have body parser, and then we're going to install a few more things. We're going to npm install express dash save, and then I believe we need to add EJS. I'm not too sure. We need to add method override. I can't really remember the name of all of them, to be honest, but I believe I'm going to npm install EJS. I also need to install one more before we can test npm install which one was it? Path dash save. So now we have added these 4 that I need right now. I would need like 8 more, but that's going to be used later on. So right now we are almost complete. So at the end of this video, I'm going to have a website that works, and I'm going to show you, possibly in this video, how I'm going to use the templates, which is very smart. And you will understand why it's very smart to use these templates, and we will see if it's going to be in this video. So what I've done now is that I have actually made the changes, so the website is actually working now. So what I've added is that I have commented out the packages or models that does not exist, because you can't run the application if these models or packages does not exist. It's going to throw an error, which you can see there are a few errors. But anyway, and then I added a route, a get route, which is slash, which basically means the first page. And then I haven't changed anything here. And then I have added in the index. As you can see in the get route, I have typed restart render index. So it's going to render this page. And you can see here, this isn't really a valid HTML page, because there are a lot of elements missing. And those are going to be added in the template. So as you can see at the top, I add a template, which is named above title. And then under the meta description and the title. By the way, title and meta description are extremely important when it comes to search engine optimization. So you really want to optimize your keywords in the meta description, in the content here. Yeah, the keywords. And yeah, the keywords in the title as well. Now there's another element which is meta, and the name is keywords, but that isn't used by the search engine, so you shouldn't use it because it gives no value. So you should have the meta description, which basically describe your page, and the title describes the page as well, and it gives you a nice title on the Google search engine. And above that, I have another template which is called below title. And then at the bottom, I have something called footer. So basically, this is going to, the above title is going to be the top part, and then under the title, I still need a few lines of code, so it becomes valid HTML. And then footer is the bottom of the page, which is going to be the same for every page. So if I start this now by running node app.js, you can see server started, and this is the website. So you can see I have the above title, I have the below title, I have the index page and footer. But if you go and validate, let's see, you should always validate your page, because as you can see, I get a very weird, like a very bad errors found while checking this document. So I haven't really specified that this page is a document, so there's a lot of errors here and shouldn't even be there. So let's go back and let's actually add the code that I need. So we need to start off by typing doc type HTML, which basically tells the browser that this is a HTML document. And then we need to start the HTML, and then we need the head. But since this is a template, I'm actually going to remove these, and you're going to understand why. So I doc type and HTML head, and we can then we go below title. So we have the title already and the meta tag. So we're going to type head. That's all we need. And then we need to add body. So head and body. And then footer. I'm going to add I'm going to close the HTML tag. And of course I need to close the body tag. And then I reload. And you can see it says index page. And let's try again. As you can see, we have another type of we have warning now. We don't actually have a error. So as you can see now, there's one thing I need to add. I need to add a language, which is going to be here. Lang is en-sv, which is English Swedish. Let's try again. And section lacks heading, and of course you should have a h2 heading. So if you go back to index and just type h2 index, then reload, you can see there's a header there, and then check again. There's no errors. We actually have a valid HTML page now. And I'm going to quickly run through it again. I have the top part is a template, and then I have, actually you can say that the head tag starts in the above title and ends in the below title. And between here I have my title and meta tag. And actually the body tag starts in the below title and then ends in the footer, and same with the HTML. The HTML tag starts in the above title and ends in the footer. So basically, instead of copying and having the same code in every view, I actually just link a template, and that gives me the code that I want. So in this template you can actually add whatever code you want. So in this video I've actually started creating the website, and I started some simple routing, and I'm probably going to do some more planning in the next video before we continue programming. So thank you for watching.